In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve game performance on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and on the right side, select display. And then scrolling down underneath related settings, select graphics. And then where it says optimization for windowed games, go ahead and toggle that's the right to enable, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.